Hello students, I am Safdar sir, computer teachers of Jesus and Mary Academy. Students, in this video I will cover the chapter 1 of your book, and the titles of the chapters is Computer and Electronic Device. Students, after completing these chapters or watching this video, you will be able to recognize computers as an electronic device. You will also understand the differences between the computers and a human being. This will also be helpful for you to know the advantages as well as disadvantages of a computer. Students, we see many machines. Some of them are simple machines. Machines like knife, blade, scissors, etc. are simple machines. On the other hand, we also see many advanced and complex machines. Machines like televisions, CD player, tablet PC, washing machines, etc. All of these are electronics devices. Computer is also a very powerful electronic device. In fact, computer is far better than many other electronic devices. Computers is also known as a versatile machine. It is because it can do many different types of things for us without any problem. Now let us see some of the uses of computer systems. We use computer for playing games. We can also use our computer systems to watch movies. The same computer can also be used for sending and receiving messages. We can also use our computer for drawing beautiful pictures with less efforts. Computer can also be used as entertainment tool to listen music. The same computer can also be used for solving simple as well as complex mathematical problems. What a computer does. A computer works very fast and can do a large numbers of calculations in a fractions of seconds. A computer never makes mistakes. A computer can do many different types of things at the same time. A computer works continuously without getting tired. Students, you know that human beings, after some hours of work, they feel tired. But this doesn't happen in the case of computers. Your computer can work for you for many hours without getting tired. Now let us see some of the differences between the computer systems and the human beings. A computer is a very fast machine. On the other hand, humans is not as fast as computers. Computer does not need rest, whereas humans, after some hours of work, they definitely need some rest. Computer has very good memory. It means if something is kept over there, it will be there forever. But human can forget the information stored in their mind. Computers is an accurate machine. It means it never ever make mistakes. But humans can make mistakes. Computer has no feelings, but human has feelings as well as emotions. Computer works on the instructions given by us. It means it is fully dependent on human beings. On the other hand, human can think and take decisions on its own. Working of a computer. A computer is a machine that cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures, and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. A computer, while working, follows three steps: input, processing, and output. Let us understand the terms input, processing, and output with the help of an activity. Suppose your mother has decided to serve you a glass of orange juice. To do so, she will definitely take some of the steps. Step 1. She puts some carpels of oranges in a juicer. In putting of carpels of oranges in juicers, in computer language, it is known as inputting. Step 2. Now the juicers squeezes the carpels of oranges for some time. This squeezing of carpels in order to collect the juice in computer language known as processing. Step 3. Finally, she collects the juice as a result in a container. The result that is obtained by her in a container in computer language, it is known as output. Advantages of using a computers. Children, you know that computer is a very fast and accurate machines. This machines is used almost everywhere for performing different types of activities. Now let us see some of the advantages. Because of that, it is getting lots of popularity among its users. The first is its speed. A computer works very fast without getting tired. Entertainment. A computer can be used as an entertainment tool. With this, you can listen to music, play games, and watch movies. Calculations. A computer can perform complex calculations without making any mistakes. Storage. A computer can store very large amount of data in its memory. Once we stores the data or information in its memory, it will be theirs forever. Gathering informations. A computer can help to gather information quickly using internet. Automations. A computer can work in an automatic way without making any errors. It has also some of the disadvantages. Decision making. A computer, being a machine, cannot take decisions like human beings. It means it is fully dependent on human beings to perform any task. No feelings. A computer, being a machine, has no feelings like human beings. Health. If we work for many hours on a computer, after some hours of work, we will definitely feel uneasy. It may affect our health also. Virus attack. Virus is very harmful for our computers. If we are not careful, then it affects the functioning of a computer systems very badly. Cybercrime. Nowadays, some peoples are using computers for criminal activities. Using internet through computers. Some peoples are using it for stealing of data, for bank frauds, etc. Students, in this way I have covered each and every part of chapter 1 of your book. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. At the same time, I suggest you to watch this video many a times to understand the chapters properly. I also suggest you to complete the section A and section B of these chapters on your own. Meanwhile, I will also provide the answers so that you can match the answers with me too. Thank you.